today I am laying the tile for the sauna that my husband has been building. He's never laid tile before, and that's my strong suit. I've laid a lot of tiles, so this is my job now to do this part before he finishes with the benches, and it'll be all done, I think. So I'll give you a little tour of what we've done so far. Here is our stove. And we've got a beautiful window to look out to the woods while we're in here. And I just lined up the first row of tiles. So I'll be putting down the thin set and getting them laid in there. He has done a fantastic job in here. And then kind of a mess here with my tile, but it's a pretty good size. And then before getting into this area, we have a little changing area here. He made some diamond windows. He made a hobbit door. Isn't that awesome? Gonna do each section at a time. I am not one that likes to do like the whole room in. So.
Is it warm enough in here for you?
Yes, I'm fine.
Okay. I got a little sandwich for you.
Okay, thank you. I just started doing the first.
First course.
Okay, thank you. Love ya. Take a piece out of this one. To cut it, I'm going to use the wet saw for all the cuts. Okay, I want to show you the view. When we're sitting here in this sauna, I will have a view of my greenhouse and our playground. Just a really nice view. Sitting here, relaxing, and seeing that. Here we are so far. I ran out of battery juice, so I had to go in and get another battery after a while. Just wanted to get a chunk of work done here. This thing is off the mesh on this one. Yikes. That's not good. I don't like that. I have to drink my lemon water because I have yet another kidney stone. And I don't drink it because I have one. I drink it because this is my 5th one. Because my body loves to make them. And I have to drink a lot of water.
And he said passing a big one was the equivalent of trying to get a porcupine to walk backwards through a garden hose. So you could see where there might be some discomfort.
Here it is, it's all finished. And yes, Joe already put in all the benches. And they look beautiful. Those cool lights back there. Aren't they awesome? Test the bench. Woohoo! Thanks for joining me today. We'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks. You're awesome. I cannot wait.